Hey, today I'm going to unbox my Presto vacuum sealer with the scale. As a disclaimer, they did send this to me for free, but I'm going to just be opening this today and showing you what it is. Okay, so a power cord, roll of bag, and then there's another roll in here, the larger one. A couple different bags for using the tube sealer. Oh, there's the tube. And most important part, so I don't break everything. Instructions. The actual vacuum sealer itself. So, as you can see, it looks nice. Let's see. This will be, I'm guessing, the platform for the scale. Yeah, so it looks like it'll just screw right in here. If I can function today. And there we go. So now you can measure your stuff, pop into the bags that they supplied, and seal it. So there we go.